朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. Today, let's make fried chicken bite. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
This recipe is a very tasty appetizer. It's simple to make and everyone will love it. Now I will show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box.
Let's pick the basil leaves. I already cleaned the basil. Now dry the basil with a paper towel. Time to trim the fat off the chicken. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Let's make our marinade. Add fermented bean curd and mashed it. Add soy sauce and mix. Add garlic powder and marinade into the chicken. Add water and then mix it all together. Now cover the chicken and refrigerate for 2 hours. Time to remove the chicken from the fridge. Add 1 egg and massage it into the chicken. Coat each piece of chicken in sweet potato flour. All the chicken is coated. Time to make the seasoning sauce. Add salt and stir. Add black pepper and fried spice. Toast everything for a few seconds on low heat. Pour out the seasoning sauce and set it aside. When it's ready, it looks like this. Add frying oil to the wok. Use bamboo chopstick to test the oil. When it bubbles, it is hot enough. Add the chicken into the hot oil. Make sure to slowly use the chopstick to move the chicken for even cooking. Remove the chicken after 4 minutes. Wait for the oil to heat up again and fry for another 4 minutes. Once the chicken is golden brown, add the basil to flash brown. Be careful of the splashing oil. After a few seconds, remove everything from the oil. Add the chicken and basil into a clean wok and toast with seasoning sauce. It's all done. Time to plate.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. It looks so good. It's so crispy. The meat is very tender and juicy. It is very good. It's very fragrant from the fried spice and pepper. It's very delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。